Hi guys, and welcome to my channel, or welcome back in case you are a returning friend. Today's video it's something which I never done on my channel, and I'm really happy that it happens to do my first video of this type with my best friend here on YouTube. So today's video is a collab with Leah MacDonald. I will put here on the screen her channel, and also I will link it down on the description box. We had this wonderful idea to do a collab where we can share with you our top 5 favorite products for the month of September. Actually, Leah is doing on her channel this series of videos, and I really loved the idea because when I'm doing my favorite, I'm all the time in a rush. I should grab this or that. Sometimes I have a lot of products, sometimes I have less products, and I all the time on the rush, on the hunt what to add or what to not add. But limiting to only 5 products, I think it's a genius idea, and I really love and embrace this idea. If you don't know anything about Leah, I will tell you that she's a professional makeup artist. She lives in beautiful Canada. She's a mother of 4. She's amazing. I really love her videos. She's more genuine, more authentic here on YouTube. She does a lot of interesting videos. She does a lot of styles. She has interesting and original videos, ideas. She does shop my stash, and she has something which I'm not able to do for the life of me. She have numbered all the eyeshadow palettes that she has on her collection, and she's rotating them through her shop my stash to a random picking system. So yeah, I really enjoy and love her channel. You might have heard me talking about her, mentioning her on my last video. So this is not something suddenly that I decided to do a collab with someone which I just met on YouTube. No, I know her from 1 year and I'm a big fan of her. I think she's great, and I would like you to go and visit her channel and to show some love from me. Tell her that you are coming from my channel. Now, returning to my September favorite, my top 5 September favorite video, I will start with the first product that is on my list, and this is a skincare product. So this is by Insta Natural, and is their retinol serum, which contains vitamin C, hyaluronic acid, niacinamide, I think I said that wrong, niacinamide, and QC10, the coenzyme QC10. So this is how it looks like, the actual bottle, and it's provided with a dropper, and the shade is kind of orangey one, and it has a natural scent to it. I scent the orange scent, the vitamin C. I purchased this product from iHerb. However, I have seen they have it on Beauty Bay for a bit of a higher price, and I want to say that this product is amazing. First time I tested in a 5 milliliter sample size, and I felt in love because it's so lightweight. Just a little bit goes a long way, and what I mostly like about it is the fact that it's absorbed really fast into the skin, so you can go after that immediately to apply your nighttime moisturizer, serum, or whatever you are using for your nighttime skincare regimen. Of course, you should use the retinol products during night, so don't do that in the morning. Something cracked there. It might be some bulb from my box light. I hope not. So yeah, this is my first favorite product for the month of September. The second favorite product is a actual nail polish, and is it coming from Chanel. I have it in the shade Roubachka. I might be wrong. And I really love the shade. I think it's really fall appropriate. As soon as we are entering in September, October, I'm starting to wear this nail polish. I think I have it from at least 2 years. It is my most expensive, bougiest polish that I have in my collection. I usually have OPI, Essie, Zoya and more affordable brands, but this is my most expensive, and I used like a quarter of it. The formula is really nice, it's thin. It didn't dry out a bit. I didn't need to add some thinner to make it thin. It's really nice. But it has only one downside which I don't like, and this is the actual brush, which is too long and too flimsy in my opinion. And it's really hard sometimes to do your nails because you can easily lose the control and you can get messy. As you can see, for example, on my thumb, on my right hand, I went a bit overboard. I just paint my nails in this morning, so that's why I clean them, but they are still there. So I need to go through some washes to get rid of this messy situation. But I love the actual bottle. You have the cap on the top of the cap, so it makes it more polished, and the formula is good. It lasts on my nails up to 5 or 6 days with a good top coat. I'm using the Sèche Vite usually because it dries faster. Now this nail polish may look black on camera, but in reality is it a dark purple, very beautiful shade. The third product is it a blush, and this blush I'm also wearing it today. Is it coming from Doucce Cosmetics, and I have it in a shade Hidden Tropics. It looks like this. First of all, let's take a moment and see the pretty package that it has. Don't mind about the fingerprints that are on the top, but it's nice, sleek. It might be metallic, I'm not sure, but it looks expensive as a package, and it's coming with a very big mirror, and you do get a lot of product. And this is this nice coral shade, which is most appropriate for summer, but you can wear it all year long without any problems. And it's not too pigmented, so you cannot go wrong, you can build it up. So yeah, I really love this product. Actually, I got it in one of my cohorted beauty subscriptions that I got in August, I believe. Then we had a full line of Doucce Cosmetics, but the actual blush is one of my favorite out of all the products that we got there. Moving forward to the fourth product. This is a actual mascara, and it's coming from Smashbox. It's their Super Fan Out Mascara. I have it in a travel size format. And what I mostly love about this mascara, besides the formula, which lasts all day by the way without smudging, is the brush. You see how tiny, but not too tiny, is it, the brush. And it's really wonderful for applying mascara on my lower lashes. Usually I am not able to do my lower lashes without getting at least one smudge. It's something which is built in my, I don't know, I am not able. And also I have worn it on my upper lashes, and it does them really nice and fluffy. I'm not wearing it today, I'm wearing another mascara, but however I wear this quite often. As I said, the formula is really long lasting. You have no problem, you will not get any smudges. I've worn this when I went on vacation in August, and I didn't get any smudge, even though I went not to the pool, but I went outside and it was hot, I was sweating, and I didn't have any smudge underneath my eyes by using this mascara. So really good mascara, my friends. My nose is itching terribly, and this is all the time happening when I'm starting to film. Okay, my fifth product. It will come as a surprise for most of you, especially because I have just shared with you my favorite brushes. I have my one-to-one makeup brushes video that I just uploaded last week, and I shared that with you, that I found a dupe for my favorite blending crease brush of all times. So after I finished that video, the story of my life, I have discovered that I was actually having another exact dupe, and it was sitting in my collection and I didn't know that. So my fifth favorite product, is it coming from Zoeva, and is it their 228 Luxe Crease Brush. But this is from the Screen Queen collection. So the brush looks like this. And beside the fact that it is white, do you see that it has the same shape like the original 228 crease brush? Now, how it came in this shape, because it wasn't like that when I bought it. It was more compact. And what I said all the time about this brush, I like the fact that it's fluffy and soft on the meantime, but it's not that soft. And this is the same. They are the same. And after it gone through some washes, it came to this actual condition. I think I bought it either from Beauty Bay or from Cult Beauty, and I've showed you this on one of my hauls. I will link it down below if I will find the actual haul. But what it says me without measure is the fact that this brush now it's sold out. I was checking on Zoeva website, I was checking on Cult Beauty and Beauty Bay, and this brush is sold out. And it wasn't. At some point I have seen it, but I did not knew at the point that it might be the dupe that I was searching for. So at least now I have two of them. And just to show you as a comparison, here I have another 228 brushes from different collections from Zoeva. Those are older actually. This is from the Bamboo collection. This is from the Bamboo collection, and this is from Luxe collection, just the regular, the golden, sorry, the golden. So they are not so fluffy, they don't become so fluffy with the time. So they might have heard me speaking about this brush and they brought this. No, it's just a coincidence, they don't know that I exist. But nevertheless, on that, I'm really excited that actually they put out another formula of the original 228 crease brush. And if they will stock it up, I will update the info bar, so in case that you want to try it and to see what I'm exactly rambling about, just go and try it and you'll thank me for that. This brush retails for around 10-11 bucks, so it's not so cheap. It's not in the lowest side like Morphe and BH Cosmetics, but it's like mid-range, similar with the Sigma. But it's amazing, it's amazing. Those are my top 5 favorite products for the month of September. And also don't forget to visit Leah's channel and see her top 5 favorite products for the month of September. I loved what she shared last month on her August favorite video. She shared a mask that it will help your sheet mask to stay in place. For example, if you don't sit late while you apply your sheet mask, the mask tends to move. Usually when I do my sheet mask, I need to fix it all the time because it tends to run out. And she shared that product, which I'm really intrigued, and I'm searching for it to purchase because I need that on my life. So all the time I find some interesting products that she loves and she shared that. So go ahead and check her channel and her video and subscribe to her channel because she's amazing. Okay, thank you so much for taking the time to watch this video. I hope you enjoyed and it was fun for you. Also, don't forget to follow me on my social, that is always linked down below, and I will put on the screen some other videos that I recommend you to check. And other than that, stay tuned, have a wonderful day, and I will see you again really soon. Mwah!